people, they have a misconception about like dance is only made for girls.
हाँ.
Lavani, and specifically Lavani, is only made for girls, and that's what I want to change. So people say that men are made for strong things like war, and female are made for soft things like dance. But if you see, irony is that Nataraj, he is a graceful dancer, male himself, and Mahakali is a bold and furious warrior, a female. People say boys don't cry, boys don't be scared. So they are trying to box me in that you are a boy, you can't be emotional. I have break that box not only for me, but for boys like me, for overall crowd like me. So they are stepping out of that box and making the world more beautiful.
Welcome back to yet another episode of Corporate Citizen Conversation. Today, we are joined by Mr. Devesh Galfade. He's All India Dance Festival winner, whose work merges culture, courage, and storytelling. So, without any further ado, let's dive into his life dedicated to dancing. Hello, Devesh.
Hi.
Welcome to Corporate Citizen
Thank you
Conversation.
so much for giving me this opportunity.
So first things first, what's the earliest memory when you realized that you can dance for life?
Actually, I have started dancing when I was at age of 5, and my elder sister, she used to go to Kathak classes. So I used to go with her like as a brother support kind of thing, because girls are not allowed to go alone in some areas. So at that time I realized that this is what I have to do. Like at a very small age, I was very keen to music, rhythms, and dance. So then slowly, that at that time that was my hobby. But when I passed out 10th, and when we like choose a different field, so then I decided no, I will take my education. But after that, my priority is my dance, because I have to continue this legacy, because my grandmother, she is a classical like singer. So I have to continue the classical journey of my family.
Wow.
So that's what I think. And then I also, by handly, I have also taken my education, but dance is my first priority. As always there for dance, and I have to change the perception that people think about Lavani. So
Right.
yeah, so that's what I'm doing now.
I want to know about the family support you got.
Like as a family support, I have a very good family. But somewhere as an Indian mindset, we can say, I was only a boy child of my parents. So they have like something कि who will marry you, या फिर हमारा नाम खराब हो जाएगा.
Like there is a perception that
perception
girls can
kind
do
of,
this and
yeah.
boys can do this
Yeah,
only.
because boys wearing ghungru, wearing makeup, that
Right.
Lavani ka saas shringar. So it is some kind of, they are feeling bad and negative. Like they get comments on that, ki your son is doing that. So they'll sometime to constrain me on that. But I always fight for that, because if God has given me this beautiful talent, so it is my responsibility to fight for that. But they now they have started supporting me. But they never have seen my performance, so that one regret I have. But I hope so in future they will definitely see my performance.
So while reading your profile, I realized that you mix Lavani and Kathak together. So how does that idea came of mixing two dance
Because
themes?
if you see the history of Indian classical dance, so we say in our dance language, mother dance. There is two mother dance, Bharatnatyam and Kathak. So from Bharatnatyam, there are different dance styles have born, like Odissi, Kathakali, that, and Kuchipudi. And from Kathak, Lavani, Rajasthani, this dance form has born. So Kathak is our mother dance form, and Lavani is a baby of Kathak.
Okay.
So I think why not like beats are similar, versions are similar, just hand movements and something are different. So I have think like why we should mix together to get something creative to the audience, because Janta Janardhan, so for audience I have to create something new and new, so they don't get bored and entertainment continue hona chahiye. The show must go on.
So what does that union means to you personally?
That union personally, like I am not a very, like being very honest, I am not a very first person who have mixed it together. In Bollywood, many times the choreographers like Saroj Khan, they have already mixed, but I have mixed the proper one. Like I have initiated different, like I have also done a Lavani in hip hop beat.
What?
Where they are rapping and I have done Lavani. So that
Wow.
beatboxing beat. So I love to mix two versions, not because I'm exploiting it, but because it gives a new way of art. because people will see how wide art is. So for me, it is very pleasuring, and I am very grateful that I have that sense, and God has gifted me that. So I am just continuing my journey to entertaining people and making new versions of art.
So you're known for telling stories through your dance.
Yeah.
So you tell about roots, your identity, and your rebellion in your dance performances. So can you tell our viewers about that?
So if we talk about Launi, so Launi basically means, it is not about a gender specific, first of all. Male and female dancers were there. So in Launi, we tell a story. Like we teach love. How do you love yourself? How do you love others? And there is a very great saying, if you love yourself, you will love other people also. So we teach people how to love, like how to pray to God. We like tell a story about two persons. Like there is one beautiful story, like moon and sun. They love they love each other, but they don't meet. So God created an eclipse, so they can meet for a very short period of time. So that kind of stories we generated. We tell the people like how you should bring a love together and how you can make this world a very beautiful. And there is a different kind of story also, rebellion. Like we tell a story about Jhansi Ki Rani, like Shivaji Maharaj in a natak form. We tell a story of different kind of freedom fighters. Some are great mythology like Ramayana and Mahabharata, Krishna Leela. So there are versions.
Wow. Devesh, winning All India Dance Festival, what was that moment like before winning the moment and after winning the festival? What changed in your life?
Yeah, actually honestly, I was not sure that I will win, because I have not practiced this, because at that time in my personal life, many things happening, my family issues and financial crisis. So I still remember when I have to perform, so we get a proper costume, and I don't have costume, and even though I don't have money to rent a costume, so me and my friends make some jugaad कि इससे धोती ले लो, इससे कुर्ता ले लो. One of my friend and my bhabhi give me jewelry, so I have that जुगाड़ वाला costume पहन के, makeup पहन के I have gone and performed, and it was so, मुझे लगा था कि I will not win because I've missed some beats and all, but the judges and the audience, they were just shouting, they were just clapping once more, and I guess seriously at that moment because I was not prepared, honestly, because usually I do preparation a lot, but at that moment things are very different in my life. So but God grace and my hard work, so yeah, I have hit that.
Have people tried to box you in one style or in one identity, or how do you resist?
Yeah, so as it is like a very good thing, like patriarchy I'm talking about here. So what not, like always you also see like people say boys don't cry, boys don't be scared, so they are trying to box me in that ki you are a boy, you can't be emotional, like you can't express, but I can suppress, that they are thinking. So they tried to cage me in that particular one box. But for me, I always like said ki God has given me this, and this is my supreme power, what I have, so why should I not explore it? And if I'm exploring it, so it is not only for me, it is for society. I'm adding value. And today also when boys call me and say ki because of you I start dancing again and I am voting again, so it is like I have break that box, not only for me, but for boys like me, for overall crowd like me. So they are stepping out of that box and making the world more beautiful.
Who is your dream collab you want to dance with, or musician, dancers, or digital creators?
It's like a very common answer. Like every dancer dream, like my inspiration is Madhuri Dixit, Nene. And in my life, I just want to be a part of that stage where she's performing. Even though I have background dancer, I can dance, but I just want her presence in dancing around me, because I am not that much trained because of my family. Like my family doesn't allow me to do Kathak, so I always watch a YouTube or like a TV on her like Chane ke khet mein dola re dola like kind of song. I always try to imitate her expressions, her hand movements. So I get that like I observe her totally. Like जो किसी ने observe नहीं किया होगा ना, वो मैंने observe किया कि अगर उनकी eyebrow भी left वाली क्यों हिल रही है. So because वहाँ beat है tuck वाली, so she is lifting her eyebrow on that beat. So I observed that. I start noticing everything. So she is my inspiration still, and I always pray to God, like one chance, please.
You want to say something to her through our channel? Corporate
Yeah,
Citizen?
so Madhuri ma'am, if you're looking, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for inspiring me for so long, and I give a like appreciation token to your personality, to your dance, that because of you today I'm here giving this interview. So thank you so much to, like, you are my guru, virtual guru. So thank you so much teaching me such a beautiful expression and emotions.
What's a misconception people have about dancers that you laugh at?
Yeah, so like people, they have a misconception about like dance is only made for girls.
Huh.
Lavani, and specifically Lavani, is only made for girls, and that's what I want to change. Because if you see in our ancient times, if you ever visited an Kerala side or an Indore side, there is Khajuraho temples, and the temple. So you've seen there is a male dancer.
Right.
जिसने पूरा लावनी का नौवारी साड़ी पहना है, श्रृंगार किया हुआ है. He done. So it is not about gender. It is not about masculinity or femininity. It's about your inner talent. So उस टाइम पे वो नर्चर होता था, but when the invasions of Mughal and British started, they had exploited our culture and they start changing the people's mind. So पहले in our history, it's not like that कि you are a boss, you can't do that. Every person can do everything. As we, there is a very great example, as people say कि men are made for strong things like war and female are made for soft thing like dance. But if you see, irony is that Nataraj, he is a graceful dancer, male himself, and Mahakali is a bold and furious warrior, a female herself.
Such
So
a
you
beautiful
can-
answer.
yeah.
Thank you so much, Devesh,
Thank you so
for
much.
being here.
you so much.
It was such an insightful and fun conversation.
Yeah, same,
I love to
yeah.
speak to you. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Corporate Citizen Conversations. Thank you.